初级短语1000句，每天10分钟磨耳朵，一个月听懂英语。
I want to make a reservation.
I want to make a reservation.
我想预定。
I want to make a reservation.
I want to make a reservation.
Do you have a table for two?
Do you have a table for two?
有2人桌吗？
Do you have a table for two?
Do you have a table for two?
I need a table for four.
I need a table for four.
我需要4人桌。
I need a table for four.
I need a table for four.
Can I book a window seat?
Can I book a window seat?
可以订靠窗座位吗？
Can I book a window seat?
Can I book a window seat?
Is there outdoor seating?
Is there outdoor seating?
有户外座位吗？
Is there outdoor seating?
Is there outdoor seating?
My reservation is under John.
My reservation is under John.
我的预定名字是约翰。
My reservation is under John.
My reservation is under John.
Can we sit by the window?
Can we sit by the window?
我们可以坐窗边吗？
Can we sit by the window?
Can we sit by the window?
How long is the wait time?
How long is the wait time?
需要等多久？
How long is the wait time?
How long is the wait time?
Can I see the menu now?
Can I see the menu now?
现在可以看菜单吗？
Can I see the menu now?
Can I see the menu now?
Please bring us some water.
Please bring us some water.
请给我们一些水。
Please bring us some water.
Please bring us some water.
What do you recommend?
What do you recommend?
你有什么推荐？
What do you recommend?
What do you recommend?
Do you have any specials today?
Do you have any specials today?
今天有什么特色菜？
Do you have any specials today?
Do you have any specials today?
I am allergic to peanuts.
I am allergic to peanuts.
我对花生过敏。
I am allergic to peanuts.
I am allergic to peanuts.
Is this dish spicy?
Is this dish spicy?
这道菜辣吗？
Is this dish spicy?
Is this dish spicy?
I want the chicken salad.
I want the chicken salad.
我要鸡肉沙拉。
I want the chicken salad.
I want the chicken salad.
Can I have extra sauce?
Can I have extra sauce?
可以多加点酱吗？
Can I have extra sauce?
Can I have extra sauce?
Please make it less salty.
Please make it less salty.
请少放点盐。
Please make it less salty.
Please make it less salty.
Can I change the side dish?
Can I change the side dish?
可以换配菜吗？
Can I change the side dish?
Can I change the side dish?
Please add a dessert.
Please add a dessert.
请加一份甜点。
Please add a dessert.
Please add a dessert.
Can I get another drink?
Can I get another drink?
可以再来一杯饮料吗？
Can I get another drink?
Can I get another drink?
Can we have some bread?
Can we have some bread?
可以给我们一些面包吗？
Can we have some bread?
Can we have some bread?
Please refill my water glass.
Please refill my water glass.
请给我的水杯加水。
Please refill my water glass.
Please refill my water glass.
This soup is too cold.
This soup is too cold.
这汤太凉了。
This soup is too cold.
This soup is too cold.
The steak is undercooked.
The steak is undercooked.
这牛排没熟透。
The steak is undercooked.
The steak is undercooked.
Can you warm this up?
Can you warm this up?
可以加热一下吗？
Can you warm this up?
Can you warm this up?
May I have more napkins?
May I have more napkins?
可以多给我些餐巾纸吗？
May I have more napkins?
May I have more napkins?
Please take away the plates.
Please take away the plates.
请把盘子收走。
Please take away the plates.
Please take away the plates.
Do you have a kids menu?
Do you have a kids menu?
有儿童菜单吗？
Do you have a kids menu?
Do you have a kids menu?
Can I get some hot tea?
Can I get some hot tea?
可以给我一些热茶吗？
Can I get some hot tea?
Can I get some hot tea?
Please pack the leftovers.
Please pack the leftovers.
请打包剩菜。
Please pack the leftovers.
Please pack the leftovers.
Can I have the bill, please?
Can I have the bill, please?
请给我账单。
Can I have the bill, please?
Can I have the bill, please?
Do you take credit cards?
Do you take credit cards?
可以用信用卡吗？
Do you take credit cards?
Do you take credit cards?
Can I pay in cash?
Can I pay in cash?
可以付现金吗？
Can I pay in cash?
Can I pay in cash?
Please split the bill.
Please split the bill.
请分开结账。
Please split the bill.
Please split the bill.
Can we get one bill?
Can we get one bill?
可以一起结账吗？
Can we get one bill?
Can we get one bill?
Is service charge included?
Is service charge included?
包含服务费吗？
Is service charge included?
Is service charge included?
Can I leave a tip here?
Can I leave a tip here?
可以在这里留小费吗？
Can I leave a tip here?
Can I leave a tip here?
The bill seems incorrect.
The bill seems incorrect.
账单好像不对。
The bill seems incorrect.
The bill seems incorrect.
Thank you for the service.
Thank you for the service.
谢谢你的服务。
Thank you for the service.
Thank you for the service.
The food was delicious.
The food was delicious.
食物很美味。
The food was delicious.
The food was delicious.
如果你对学习英语感兴趣，别忘了点赞、转发、订阅我们的频道，并打开小铃铛接收最新更新。